start with 16 ounces of cream cheese that's already been softened. So you can see when I push on it, this is important because that all of our ingredients are softened a little bit warmer than room temperature so that everything will mix together correctly. So now we're going to add a stick of real butter. And this is unsalted butter. And you can see that it's softened as well. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of Lakanto maple syrup. We're going to add a teaspoon of real, and finally we're going to add about 25 drops of liquid stevia. So you can add more or less to your desired level of sweetness. And all we're going to do is mix this right up. This is a good place to stop and check for the correct sweetness level. And I want mine to be just a little bit sweeter, so I added 20 more drops of stevia. And now you have a nice fluffy cheesecake dessert. Now we're going to make strawberry parfaits with the cheesecake that we just made. In each parfait, we're going to start with a tablespoon of almond flour. Then we're going to mix in 1 teaspoon of any sugar substitute you want to use. We're just going to mix that together. And we're going to take about a tablespoon of cheesecake, layer that in. We're going to sprinkle in some strawberries. And then repeat. This time 2 tablespoons of cheesecake. And of course you can control the carb count of this parfait with the amount of strawberries you use. Less strawberries, lower carb count. And then we're going to repeat one final time.